In today's video, I'll show you how to add a watcher to a Jira ticket. Watchers are users who receive notifications about updates to a ticket, like comments, status changes, or other activities, keeping everyone in the loop. Start by navigating to your work in Jira. From here, select the project containing the issue you want to track. Click on Issues to see all tickets and find the specific issue you want to watch. Open the issue to view its details. Look for the eye icon at the top right. This is the Watch button. Clicking it will add you as a watcher or allow you to type in a user's name or email to add someone else. You can also remove watchers if needed. Adding watchers ensures the right team members stay informed without overwhelming others with unnecessary notifications. And that's it. You've successfully added a watcher to a Jira ticket, keeping your team aligned and up to date. In today's video,